Yeah, what up, family? What up, man? It's your boy, man, Chat Plug, man. So yeah, I'm back. You know, this time I decided to make this video on a Friday night, because I'll be a bit busy for the next couple of days. So I think it's best maybe I give it to you. I give you guys I give you guys analysis on a Friday, so that you guys can relax, jot down some stuff, have time to watch it, prepare for the next coming week, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go, man. Right now I'm looking at Euro USD. Yeah, so like that's my chart there. So now let's get to the weekly. The weekly, what do we have? The weekly closed with like with the bullish, okay, like with the doji, or should I say a bullish doji, whatever it is. Okay, let's see. The daily closed with like a hammer or something like that. So wait, let me remove these. Let me remove. Okay. All right. Looking at this, I actually have no idea what's gonna happen, but I may always have an idea sometimes. All right. Okay. This is this is the 4 hour, right? Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. So so price right now is consolidating. Price is consolidating in this green box right here, right? Price is consolidating in this green box right here. So what do I expect to happen? Okay, what I expect to happen is okay, yeah, let's go. Price right now is consolidating. So so um so so right now, getting on the chart, or should I say trading this pair, you'll actually be caught in between this. So the best time to trade this pair is when it breaks out. So I expect it to break out to the upside, to the upside, basically to this upside here, to like 1.20, 1.21 going up. But also again, we need to also look for shorts. I mean, no, not look for shorts, but always prepare for some shorts, right? And then let me zoom out so I'll show you guys this red trend line I drew, and also show you guys how I drew it and everything. So let me just wait for it to load. Okay, that's how I basically. So now do you guys see this red trend line? If this red trend line, if this red trend line gets like broken, then we may expect bears to start kicking in, right? So as long as it keeps on respecting this trend line, then I still believe in bulls. For example, as you saw, after after FOMC, price came and bounced off this line and went up, right? So what I'll say is, the best thing we'll do is, if it breaks if it breaks if it breaks my red trend line, then I'm gonna start selling it. You know what I mean? So what I basically mean is, let me get this for you. If it breaks this trend line, then we coming down to this support right here. But I still believe price can maybe let me see. Yeah, I still believe, I still you know I still believe price has a lot of upside momentum, but I'm only gonna trade this pair now because right now I saw that it's very, very, very tricky. So I'm gonna trade this pair after it breaks out the top right here. But while it's still while it's still inside this rectangle, I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just going to watch it. But I expect a breakout to the upside going up. Okay, so yeah, always make sure draw this red trend line and make sure if it breaks, then you fall with it. If it goes up, then just wait for the break up here and then retest. Then you go along with it, right? So yeah, let's get to what is it? Gold. Okay. Gold. Okay. All right. This is gold. Okay. Okay. Now looking at gold. What I expect to happen is let me see. It broke the 1300 structure. Okay, first of all, let's go to the weekly. In the weekly we had an engulfing candle last week, followed by another red candle, which is right here. So you know what I mean? It's just by the support. So to be honest with you guys, is I have two solutions, answers, whatever it is, right? So like this could be it, right? My bias is both sides, right? Okay, so what I believe is, since price has broken, this is the daily chart. Since price has broken my pink trend line, indicating that bears are now coming through. This to me looks like a break, then a retest. So we may continue falling up until 1270, right? That's what I believe. But also again, where price is right now is actually like a strong support, right? So I'm gonna give you guys two scenarios. Okay, now let me give you guys the scenarios. You see, if price is gonna break the 1305 region or resistance, then wait for the retest and go long. What I basically mean is, while price is still here, like while price is still in this green box, we don't trade it. We wait for the breakout. It'll find the retest and breakout. So what I mean is, I'm gonna get if at all price breaks 1305, then you may see 1325 very soon, right? Or if this price makes a lower low of let me see, a lower low below 1288, then I may also say that you know, price is falling up until 1270. You know what I mean? Because right now, if you look at it in the weekly chart, to me it looks like it was just retesting the previous support, which is now turned in. I mean, the previous resistance, which has now turned into support. You know what I mean? So I believe that you see it broke out and then came to retest. So I'm assuming that the price now will continue going up, but I'm also working with I'm actually both sides now, because I'm looking at my green box. I'm like, yeah, wherever it breaks, it breaks to. I go with it, but I'm only gonna go with it if I get a retest. That's all. If I don't get a retest, then I'm gonna let the trade fly and go away. So yeah, family. What is it again? USDJPY. Alright. Okay. This is UJ. Let's start off with the weekly. Weekly. The weekly, what do we got here? Weekly, we have let me remove this. Alright, okay. Weekly, we have looks like we had bulls our way. We still have them. I'm not really quite sure, because due to this whole North Korea and states tension, you may never really be too sure about what's going on, with the Japanese yen or with the USD, right? But let's get to it. Looks bullish on the weekly. Okay, on the monthly, it looks like we closed with like a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so I may think of I may think of shorts though, but I'm gonna wait for another confirming bearish candle, because this may just be a fake out, or should I say like a false candlestick. Look at this. We got a nice hammer here, but boom. So I ain't gonna trust. I'm not gonna trust just one candle. I'm gonna wait for two candles. Then I'll take the decision based on that. Okay. So we're looking bearish. Now let's do our thing on the 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay. Okay. All right. Now let me just see if I see something. Okay, this one is not gonna work. It didn't touch this. So it ain't gonna work. Okay. Oh, come on, load. Come on, man. Okay. There we go. Now with UJ, I'm a bit skeptical at the moment. At the moment, I'll be lying to you guys. I'm not really quite sure, because it was so easy the other time. Yeah, let me just draw this. Okay. This is my UJ. Yeah, this is my UJ. What I would say is, I actually believe we may start seeing shorts. Why? Because it has broken this trend line, my pink trend line, which was the uptrend, broken. Looks like the retest maybe. But also again, remember this. Yeah, this is broke out. So the green part was support when price was on top. Then it broke support, then now became resistance. So now if I get another candlestick confirming like a downtrend, then this pair may fall back down to 11 111.000. Then we can start maybe falling, continuing to fall up until here. But let's not get down. Let's not go too far first. The first target will be 1111 111.0. Yeah, that'll be the first target. So I believe, we're now entering into shorts. But first, you see, I'm in shorts. But first, let me see how the DXY is performing. DXY is just basically the dollar index. So yeah. For another pay. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, family. I expect the weak dollar this coming week, but I'm gonna confirm the weakness of the dollar. I will once this trend once once this trend breaks my little region here. Once it breaks this region, then I may say now we're gonna make lower lows, right? So I expect a weak dollar. So what I can basically say is for that Euro USD, remember it's in a range. So trade the breakout after the retest. The gold is in between a kind of like a range, or should I say like its own support or resistance right now. So we're waiting for the breakout to either side. You know what I mean? Because it may go either side. I don't want to be ignorant and stick on one side, right? So I want to keep both options available. And then we get to then we get to USD JPY. UJ looks like the steam is about to wear off now. We'll start seeing some bears, so let's watch closely. But I always give you guys updates on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is basically all you gotta do is just go to any URL, whether it's on your phone like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or whatever it is. So now it's basically just go to any URL and type in T, like normal T. I mean like the letter T. So basically type in T.me, then / chart plug. If you can't spell chart plug, then you don't belong here. Simple as that. Okay. Let's check out what news we got next week. You know what I mean? So like, yeah, guys. These are my charts. You know, for next week now. Oh yeah, the internet has been pretty bad lately. So yeah, but luckily I'm going to Malaysia tomorrow. Hopefully I'll experience that good internet. So yeah, let's go to next week. Let's see what we got. Monday, no high impact news. Tuesday, oh yeah, we have German elections on Sunday. So yeah, don't forget that. So maybe the Euro pairs will open with the gap, I'm assuming. So yeah, Tuesday we have consumer confidence. Wednesday we have, okay, it's all good, crude oil. And then we have New Zealand dollar news, official cash rate, rate statement. Okay. On Thursday we have GBP. Kanye will be speaking. Then we have USD final GDP, which is all good. And then Friday, we have GBP current account, Canadian dollar news, GDP. Then we have the Euro. Draghi will be speaking also. So Euro and GBP will be lit next week, man. I love you guys, man. It's time for me to nap, wake up early and do job. So I love you guys, man. See you guys next week. Peace.